Yeah.
So in a minute you're going to do an experiment where we swing this cylinder and measure the force and the speed of this thing somehow. But first, let's make sure we understand the specifics of this cylinder, all right? So you can see here I've got this bin of cylinders here. Let me get you a good shot in there. Okay, so we got this bin of cylinders. I'm going to zero this.
Weird glare here.
I got 749.2 grams. 749.2. And then... Yeah, we're filming, but it's cool. That's 120.2 grams. I don't know if you can see the glare there, sorry. That's 120.1 grams. Got it. Okay, so hopefully you can get the mass of the cylinder from that. I think that was 6, but you can count in the video. And now, here's, we want to get the length of this thing, so what I'm going to do here, this is a caliper, and so what you can see is it's not quite zeroed. I'm going to close this all the way, hit 0 first. It's in units of millimeters. Is the glare killing you?
No, that's good right now.
That's all right. Okay, so now I'm going to get the height, and in this case, remember I zeroed it. I want to make sure I use these flat faces here, not these needles. Those are useful in some cases here, but flat faces make sure that I'm pretty much right on there. Now notice if I squeeze really hard, you get some flex there. So I'm just going to assume that's about right. Can you get the number?
Yeah.
You mean to rotate it maybe? 76.32 or so. Now we also need the radius of this thing, or whatever. I guess I'll get this measurement right here. Now again, I'm going to go like this and use these flat faces. And notice, rather than doing it at some angle, I put it on the table here, just because then I know it's probably flat. So we'll go that way. You need me to rotate that? Hold on. Looks about right. Good, you got the numbers?
Yeah.
And let's check, make sure it's still approximately zeroed. Nothing's ever perfect. Pretty close to 0. So now you've got the dimensions of the cylinder and the mass. Okay, that's it.